How to use Chromecast. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to show you how you can actually use your Chromecast and then what are some of the basic features you can do from the Google Home app as well. So make sure to stick with us till the end. Now I'm not going to go through all of the process of actually connecting the Chromecast onto the back of your TV. We have already made a dedicated video on that, as well as how you can actually connect it to your phone as well. Assuming you have done all of those, that you have already downloaded the Google Home app and you have already connected it onto your smartphone as well. You can see this is how it is going to look like. I have already added this device, this Chromecast, as well as on this home right over here. And what are some of the basic things that you can do? And if you don't know how to do all of these, then you can watch our previous videos where we have actually set up on how you can connect it to the smartphone app as well. The very first thing I'm going to do is, and I'm going to teach you, is how you could actually screencast your own device onto your Chromecast TV. So in my case, you can see this interface over here, and let's say I want to actually screencast and screen mirror whatever is displaying on my phone right over here onto my TV. In order to do that, I'm going to open the Chromecast and the Google Home app and then tap on my device. And if you look closely at the bottom of the screen, you have this option which says Cast My Screen. Tap on Cast My Screen and then tap on the Cast Screen button again. And then you could simply go ahead and tap on the Start Now button. As soon as you do that, whatever you display on your mobile device right over here would also be displayed on the back of your TV. So you can see if whether I open my Google Photos app or whether you also want to watch Netflix and then stream all of the devices. Let's say you want to open some photos on your gallery. If you screen rotate it, it is also typically going to do the same. And then you could go ahead and open your galleries and so on. This is the very first and handy feature which you can use in case there are some guests on your home and you want to display some photos without going through the hassle of actually connecting and showing off your laptop and so on. You could very easily do it from your app as well. Now I'm going to actually stop this mirroring. Now let's say that you want to add some services such as Spotify and Netflix and so on. The very first thing I will show you is how you can add Spotify. For that, again, tap on the device right over here. For that, again, you have to tap on the settings button at the top of the screen, and here at the bottom you'll find this option which says music. All you have to do is simply select this music option to connect Spotify, and you'll be able to see a bunch of different options such as YouTube, Apple Music and so on. In my case, I currently don't have Spotify, I only have YouTube and so on. But if you want, then you could go ahead and actually choose Spotify if it is available on your region as well. The other thing you could do is you could also actually add some streaming services such as Netflix and so on. For that, again, you have to simply tap on the settings button and then you have to go to the options called video under the services section. So tap on videos and you'll find videos and photos. Now you can see the option which says Netflix at the very top. Tap on the link button. And you have to follow all of the on-screen instructions in order to link your Netflix account onto your Chromecast. So it says signing in. You can go ahead and actually also enter your login details and so on. Now you could go ahead and stream Netflix and other applications if you want. If you want to play some music and so on, you can also tap on the podcast button and do all of the instructions accordingly as well. And these were some of the things which you could do from the Google Chromecast app. There are a bunch of different more which we will discuss for the next detailed video. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.